It is 7:59 a.m. in Central Europe. If you trade the euro, you know the feeling of staring at a range-bound Euro-USD chart, waiting for the London Open to inject some actual direction into the market. But right next door, German equity markets are preparing for a liquidity surge that dictates the euro's momentum for the rest of the day. In 2021, the DAX expanded from 30 to 40 constituent companies. This update deepened the liquidity pool and increased the index's sensitivity to global trade news. Traders view the DAX 40 as a high-beta Euro-Proxy. In finance, high beta means an asset moves with more volatility than the broader market. When the euro moves 20 pips, the DAX can respond with an explosive 100-point swing. Shifting focus to the specific German index allows you to capture the directional momentum of the European economy when currency pairs are stagnant. At 7:50 a.m., 10 minutes before the physical exchange opens in Frankfurt, you start your pre-market routine by checking the global economic dashboard for underlying sentiment. One of the most consistent relationships to watch is the inverse correlation between the euro and the DAX. Historically, a weak euro-USD has served as a bullish signal for the German index. This is because Germany is an export-driven economy. A depreciating euro makes German cars and machinery cheaper for foreign buyers, which directly boosts corporate earnings and drives the index higher. You must also monitor the index's heavy industrial weighting. The daily trend is often dictated by top-heavy giants like SAP and Siemens. If these firms are trading down at the open, it is difficult for the DAX to maintain a bullish bias. Finally, compare the DAX to the S&P 500. If the S&P is flat but the DAX is breaking out, it confirms that European-specific momentum is driving the price. Completing this macroeconomic checklist provides the conviction needed to distinguish a genuine market breakout from a morning trap. At 8 CET, the Power Hour begins. Institutional algorithmic orders flood the tape, establishing the day's initial balance. To execute the opening range breakout strategy, you must first do nothing. You spend the first 15 minutes simply observing the market as the opening candle forms. Once the clock hits 8:15, draw horizontal lines at the absolute high and low points. You are waiting for a specific trigger, a 5-minute candle closing entirely outside the range with a surge in volume. Watch for the 8:30 fakeout. Often, the DAX moves one way at 8, only to reverse as London traders log on and inject opposing liquidity. Waiting for structural candle closes, rather than instantly reacting to price breaks, helps protect you from being used as exit liquidity during these early morning shifts. By 11 a.m., the morning rush usually subsides, but secondary volatility is often ignited by midday data releases, like the ZEW economic sentiment or German CPI. If these reports beat expectations, the index receives a sudden secondary injection of momentum. This is where institutions use the volume-weighted average price, or VWAP, as a fair value magnet. Because the DAX is a mean-reverting beast, a price stretching too far above its daily VWAP often snaps back to that average. While macroeconomic data dictates the overall trend, mean-reverting tools like VWAP help identify where institutional resting orders are likely sitting. Trading the DAX requires a shift in risk management. Applying a standard, slow-moving Forex mindset to this high beta index can lead to rapid account drawdowns. In Forex, you trade pips. In the DAX, you trade whole points. A 50-point move can happen in minutes, creating significant capital exposure compared to the steady grind of currency pairs. Using the tight stop-loss parameters common in EUR-USD trading often results in immediate liquidation from the normal volatility of the DAX. This is why professional traders use the 14-period average true range, or ATR. It allows you to calculate volatility-adjusted stop-losses that give the trade enough room to breathe. By utilizing the DAX 40 as a high-beta Euro-Proxy, you can capture the directional momentum of the European Open during the market's most active hours.